I'm honestly just tired of this whole facade of, oh, we're so poor, everything breaks and we have to fix it all the time. So today I'm gonna give you guys a real look into behind the scenes of the janky compound.
I ain't done yet, counting all these rings to my thumb, so I run that. She gon' get me naked till I'm done, I ain't come yet. Niggas still hating on my grind with a love back, crazy. Wait a minute, if it ain't about the money, calm down, let me finish. Ay, can you tell me why these niggas in my business? Ay, got my name in their mouth like the dentist. Ay,
basically, show up to these races, the bikes blow up, car blows up, bunch of drama to get views, and I get home and I just call a tow truck driver. I'm like, hey, come pick all this crap up. Takes it to some fancy shop, I sign the check, and then it all comes back fixed and we do it all again next weekend. Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of everything that we do. I don't even literally know what this is, but like in the videos, you know, I'm always over here just like, oh yeah, I'm fixing things. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah, I'm gonna fix it. I've actually never fixed anything though, so. No, on a serious note though, everything is really, really broken right now. Like really broken. We have 48 hours before we are leaving on a 90-day, 13,000 mile, 30-state road trip to try to qualify for Loretta's this year. For, ooh, Loretta's big dumb race that everyone wants to try and make it to. All because I told Hunter I'd take him. So that's why we're doing this. We got 48 hours to get packed up and hit the road. Probably gonna miss the first race because this to-do list seems a little bit impossible. I'm rebuilding this engine in my driveway. I've never rebuilt an engine before. 95% chance it's not gonna work out, but let's find out. Scary, scary. Nice and gentle. The risk is the shitty AutoZone fucking parts. Oh yeah, it's gonna rod knock or it's gonna run. There's only two options right now.
I'm nervous.
Me too. Let it run for just like maybe 10 seconds. I successfully, temporarily, well, we don't know how long it's gonna last yet, but I did successfully just rebuild my first engine, so.
It lasted at least 10 seconds.
It lasted at least 10 seconds. Not bad for in my driveway. And I didn't have the timing. We have got in an upgrade, guys. Upgrade from the Geo trailer. Is it what you thought it was gonna be?
Is this it?
Yeah, that's it.
What do you mean is this it? You think we got a trailer and a
Yeah, he thought there was something inside of it. That's funny. Yeah, there's two brand new bags in here. Take inside.
Oh, you guys bought a trailer.
Inside.
What do you mean why?
Okay, look up the closest adoption agency. We gotta go. You comfy in there? Okay, bye. I didn't lie to you. This thing actually probably won't leak on us as bad as the other trailer, which is cool. Big upgrade for the Geo. But right now it's a blank canvas. There's nothing done to it. So we've started kind of getting all the stuff ready for it. We got the water tank, water pump, outdoor shower, 12-volt fridge, solar stuff, rooftop tent. All of this stuff has to be done. 48 hours. Obviously probably not gonna get done, but hopefully we'll make it to this race this weekend just to kick off the season. He's been off the bike for 12 months. And yeah, so first thing we gotta do is go rob the power system off of our home so that we can harness some electricity from the sun. We don't roll around with a $3,000 generator. It's too heavy and we just don't have one, so.
Whoa.
The next thing that I have to do, well, if we're gonna go race around the entire country, probably need a dirt bike that runs, and they're not running right now, so. And I've never rebuilt an engine before, so, and I did not take this motor apart. I got it shipped back to me in a box. I sent it out as a whole motor running, some crank noise, and this is how they sent it back to me after 9 months. So, thank you, that person that you know who you are, for whatever that was. I have no idea what I'm doing, but paying somebody $2,000 to rebuild one of these engines is just not possible. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Probably not fun, actually. Probably really not fun. Let's do it. If you guys aren't already at the rebuilding your own motors, well, maybe you should try. You bitch. Okay, I'm dying. I'm in here trying to rebuild a motor that I did not take apart. First time ever rebuilding an engine ever. I've never done it before. We're down to 12 hours left to be at the race. It's like a 3-hour drive or a 4-hour drive, so I got whatever that is, 8 hours to finish this up. But I ended up just having to take apart another motor because I did not know how the transmission went back together. I bought a service manual. It was wrong. It didn't have the right diagrams or something. I don't know. Yeah, so I just took apart an entire another engine just so I could video it. Everything's clean, prepped, and I'm about to start putting this thing together and see how it goes. Well, that was not fun, guys. It took about 8 hours. It's 3:30 in the morning. I recommend that you never ever try that. Instead, you know, you go spend $6,000 to $8,000 a year getting your motors rebuilt by somebody, refinance your house, you know, empty your grandma's 401k, whatever it takes, because that is definitely not worth the time. Obviously, I'm joking. Everybody should grow some balls and do their own motors. It's not that bad. I've literally never done a motor before. I did my first one, like I said, 7 hours. Well, I don't know if it runs yet, so maybe, I'm not so sure, but yeah, it took me a lot of years to finally just say, screw it, I'm going to rebuild my own motor, and I'm glad I did. But, yeah, it's like 4 a.m., 3:30 a.m., and the race starts at 8 o'clock. And if I don't leave here by 5, we're not going to make it. So, I don't know if we're going to make it. We might have to just skip this race, but I'm dying. I've been up since 6 a.m., going on 21 hours, so. All right.